Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a really fun thing to do. I absolutely love this part of Florida, and I love going to these freshwater springs, especially by boat. Such a great getaway. Again, if you're ever in the area, which is the Ocala area, Ocala National Forest, that area, definitely pay a visit to Astor. If you have your boat, jet ski, whatever, put in here, enjoy the nice ride up. It's about a 10-mile ride to the mouth of Silver Glen Run. Head on in there and enjoy it. Today, unfortunately, the river has been high. It's about 2.5 to almost 3 feet above flood stage. So everything's really high. So there's a no-wake zone that goes for lasts a long time just through town. And then when you get to Silver Glen, all that flood water has kind of overtaken the spring, so it's not nearly as clear as it normally is. But still amazing. Obviously you saw the videos. The spring is the spring. It can never not be clear. But the run was a little bit dirtier than normal. So anyways, take a look at Lazy Locations at my website, lazylocations.com. I'll put the link in this video on my write-up specifically on Silver Glen Run, and make sure to take out the time to visit it. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.